Rimac has unveiled the Nevera R, a hypercar with 2,107 horsepower and a top speed of 256 miles per hour. This new model is a pure performance sports car rather than a GT. The Nevera R accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 1.74 seconds, reaches 124 miles per hour in 4.38 seconds, and covers a quarter mile in just 8.23 seconds. Upgrades include a new aero package, Michelin Cup 2 tires, a retuned torque vectoring program, and enhanced carbon ceramic brakes. These changes result in a 3.8-second faster lap time at the Nardo Handling Track. The Nevera R has the potential to break the 7-minute barrier at the Nürburgring.